ARGO Cargo Kit. Bike riding is a great way to contribute to being eco-friendly, but it's not the greatest for transporting cargo. ARGO Cargo has changed this. Cargo bikes are becoming more popular for many reasons, including more effortless mobility. With the ARGO Cargo Kit, you can modify your regular, everyday bicycle in a minute to an ultra-cargo transporter. The kit consists of a frame and the cargo compartment, instantly transforming into a unique cargo carrier. The process is straightforward. Remove the front wheel of your bike, attach the cargo kit directly to the fork, and you're done. The cargo kit leaves you with a sturdy, stable, and reliable machine that can withstand many hours of usage. Some features are a removable bench for children to pets to accommodate inside the cargo box, 2 child safety harnesses, and flat-resistant tires. The ARGO Cargo Kit is able to carry loads up to 68 kilograms and costs $1,150. Foldy-Lock Compact. Bicycle traveling is quick, affordable, and provides excellent physical activity. But just like any vehicle, theft is a fear for most owners. Foldy-Lock Compact has a combination of weight, strength, and design. It is the best way to protect your bike against theft. This isn't an ordinary locking system, as it is foldable and very practical. Thanks to the hardened steel and security scale silver, the lock has passed several tests against saws, wire cutters, hammers, and even extremely low temperatures. All parts of the lock's metal components are rust-resistant, and the plastic parts are UV protected. It is highly versatile and can be placed at any angle and, when not needed, folds into its mounting case to attach to the bike frame. It can also be used with e-scooters. The Foldy-Lock weighs only 1 kilogram, and 85 centimeters circumference when fully opened, 18.9 centimeters long, and 6 centimeters wide. An important feature is the 3 included sidewinder keys, similar to those for automobiles. All 3 are laser-cut and more challenging for thieves to replicate. A large steel plate guards the keyhole to prevent larger objects from tampering with the lock. The price is $85. Monkey Cycle. Children enjoy riding bicycles, but they are expensive and, as they grow up, need to be replaced as they become unusable. The Monkey Cycle is the first completely transformable children's bicycle. The bike adapts to the child's growth over the years. The manufacturer claims that the bike can be used for the youngest of toddlers and children up to age 6. This bicycle is a relatively new invention and is available in multiple models. The bike begins as a pedal-less low tricycle, then can be converted to a pedal-less low balance or high balance bike. The next stage is a pedal bike, pedal trike, and finally, a pedal quad. Each stage of transformation includes Tektro disc brakes, easy reach levers, air tires, and magnesium alloy wheels. In addition, conversion is not limited by the child's height. The bicycle can easily be adjusted to accommodate their height. The Monkey Cycle's frame is made of US steel and has a comfortable padded seat with changeable seat posts. The price for the basic kit is $399, and the full kit is $499. Hexagon. Whether daytime or nighttime, bike riding in the city can be dangerous, therefore, safety is a priority. The Hexagon is a tail light that attaches to the rear of a bike and wirelessly connects to a smartphone. The Hexagon's built-in camera transmits video in real time to a smartphone attached to the handlebars via a built-in camera. This system allows cyclists to be highly aware of the road situation behind them. It functions as a direction signal light, brake light, automatic stop signal, and has an intermittent mode. In addition to real-time video, the screen will also display your current speed and position. The Hexagon also makes riders more visible on the road, especially in the dark. Another great feature is the ability to live broadcast your ride to social media or record video onto the SD card. Finally, it includes parental controls for parents to keep an eye on children and a safety feature notifying a contact if you're involved in an accident. The Hexagon costs $40. Moto Perilla Carbon. The Italian company Moto Perilla has created a bicycle for those who rather stand out from the cyclist crowd. Moto Perilla Carbon is a high-performance, totally customizable e-bike. The unique bicycle is made from carbon and aluminum from a single block mold and has a sturdy frame. The bike tires are quite large and aggressive at first glance, but provide fantastic stability and improved grip, making the bike safe to ride off-road. The Moto Perilla Carbon is powered by an electric motor, available in a range of 250 watts to 750 watts, hidden inside the frame. Riders can enjoy more riding and fun while avoiding fatigue. The carbon fiber makeup of the bike makes it relatively lightweight but strong and very maneuverable. Safety is improved due to its oversized double-disc brakes and powerful hydraulic brakes. The Carbon is available in multiple series, ranging in price from $6,000 to $11,000. Retire Modular Tire System. For cycling enthusiasts who rather be riding instead of wasting time or limiting themselves, the Retire Modular Tire System is a dream come true. Created by the Norwegian company Retire, this is the world's first modular bike tire. The system transforms your regular bike tires in seconds without any tools needed. There are 4 tire options for various terrain types: gravel, snow, ice, and off-road, providing better grip and less resistance. The replacement procedure for changing the tire is fast and straightforward. The user simply mounts the base tire with the integrated zipper, then as conditions change, zip on the appropriate skin and continue your trip, having easily changed the tire tread in under 60 seconds. The heavy-duty zipper is compatible with any bike, and since they are compact and don't take up much room, the extra tires can be carried along in a bag. The grab-and-go system is priced between $45 and $88. Duro Rise. The Duro Rise, from the American company Duro Bikes, developed an electric bike that resembles more like a scooter or motorcycle. The electric bike features a 1,000-watt electric motor to ensure safe riding even when not pedaling. The rider can expect speeds up to 45 km per hour, while the battery provides 64 km of travel time. The 48-volt battery can be fully charged in 5 hours. If you prefer to pedal without assistance, the motor only helps on rugged terrain, such as steep hills. The Duro Rise features multi-purpose 4-inch tires for road and off-road excursions and 7 gears, matched with adjustable rear and front suspension and ultra-bright lighting. The solid steel frame paired with hydraulic front and rear brakes provide sturdiness, control, and safety. This bike is the perfect multi-purpose machine because it can effortlessly go from city streets to rough bike trails. The Rise e-bike costs $2,400. Unit 1 Faro. No bike ride is complete without a solid helmet to protect the rider. But the Unit 1 Faro bike helmet goes beyond by doing more than protecting the rider's head. This helmet can reduce the risk of getting into an accident in the dark specifically. With a total output of over 500 lumens, the helmet features an entire system of LED lights on the front and back, making the rider more visible. These lights warn cars and other vehicles about the cyclist's braking and turning via the included navigation remote. The system is fully customizable, water-resistant, and has smart ventilation via 5 vents. The helmet's construction still upholds safety standards, made with an ABS and PS shell and an EPS liner. The 1850 mAh battery can reach a full charge in 3 hours and provide up to 10 hours of usage. By downloading the companion app, you're able to utilize the fall protection safety feature, light customization, receive ride tracking, and, if you're up to it, daily challenges. The helmet starts at $200. Stroke Cargo Trike. Hopping on your bike to run quick nearby errands is not only environmentally friendly but also more accessible. Sometimes those errands involve needing a generous amount of cargo space, which isn't available on a bicycle. The Japanese company, Inventions, created the Stroke Cargo Trike to combat this problem. This electric tricycle features a highly unique design on 3 wheels and comes with 2 large capacity compartments in front. These compartments have a load capacity of 60 kilograms, each having an independent suspension to keep stable and prevent the possibility of falling over when making turns. The stroke cargo trike reaches speeds of 24 kilometers per hour, and the 250-watt motor provides a 150 kilometers range. The compact trike is only 1.9 meters long and has less than 50 centimeters tread. Current planned future prototypes of the trike involved the option of transporting 1 or 2 small children as well, a feature parents will welcome. Bosch Kayaks. While many mounts are available that allow smartphone navigation while biking, the Bosch Kayaks is a bit different. It is not a smartphone mount, but can become a replacement altogether. The Kayaks is a small onboard computer display with an intuitive interface that attaches to the handlebars with the included magnetic mount. Bluetooth connection to your smartphone lets the computer point the way to your destination. It can indicate when and where to turn and the remaining distance of your trip. The display features 6 riding modes that can be customized depending on the rider's personal e-biking experience. You can also receive fitness data in real time for training or other purposes. Data such as heart rate, rider cadence, calories burned, and personal performance gained helps reach any fitness or training goals. The compact design gives a sizable scratch-proof glass display yet still provides a minimalistic appearance.